Students, today we are going to discuss the validity of commutative property. We will discuss it in four different sections. In the first section, we will discuss the validity of commutative property with respect to addition. Now, if we are going to add two numbers, that is A and B, commutative property with respect to addition will be A plus B must be equal to B plus A. That is changing the order of numbers does not affect their result. In this case, the result is addition. Now, we'll prove it with some example. Let's take two numbers. That is, numbers are, suppose we have A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 7. Thus, 3 plus 7 must be equal to 7 plus 3, or 10 is equal to 10, which is true. Thus, the commutative property with respect to addition holds. It is valid. This is our first proof. In the second section, we will prove it. We will discuss its validity with respect to subtraction. With respect to subtraction, this property will be like A minus B must be equal to B minus A. So here we will suppose two numbers. Suppose that we have two numbers. Suppose the numbers are 4, A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 6. Now, if we add them, if we subtract them, that is A minus B, which is equal to 4 minus 6, and B minus A, which is equal to 6 minus 4, minus 2 cannot be equal to plus 2. This is not true. Thus, it doesn't hold. This property, commutative property with respect to subtraction, does not hold. Now we will discuss this property with respect to multiplication. In the multiplication section, we will take two numbers. Numbers can be anyone, so we are generalizing it. A multiplied with B is equal to B multiplied with A. We will check it whether this holds or not. So we will suppose two numbers. Suppose we have A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 9. Thus, when we multiply these two numbers in any order, that is 3 multiplied with 9 is equal to 9 multiplied with 3, the result is same. Thus, this property holds. With respect to multiplication, commutative property is true and it holds. In the fourth section, we will discuss commutative property with respect to subtraction, with respect to division. So here we are, that is A divided by B must be equal to B divided by A. Suppose we are supposing here two numbers. Suppose we have A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 8. Thus, when we divide them, that is 4 divided by 8 cannot be equal to 8 divided by 4. The result is 1 over 2. This cannot be equal to 2. This cannot be true. So, with respect to division, this property does not hold. So, this is validation of commutative property that we do with different operations in mathematics. Thank you.